Amana furnace is making strange noises. If your Amana furnace is making strange noises, it's important to address the issue promptly to prevent further damage. Here are some common furnace noises and potential causes. Rattling or banging. Loose components. Check for loose panels, screws, or other components. Tighten any loose connections. Blower wheel issues. Inspect the blower wheel for debris or imbalances. Clean the wheel if necessary, and consider professional service if the issue persists. Squealing or whining. Belt issues. If your furnace has a belt-driven blower, the belt may be worn or slipping. Examine the belt for wear and replace it if needed. Clicking or tapping. Expansion and contraction. Some clicking sounds during startup and shutdown are normal due to metal expanding and contracting. Excessive or persistent clicking may indicate a loose or damaged component. Popping or booming. Dirty burners. Dirty burners can cause delayed ignition, leading to popping or booming noises. Schedule a professional inspection and cleaning of the burners. Humming or vibrating. Motor issues. A humming or vibrating noise may be due to issues with the blower motor or inducer motor. Lubrication or motor replacement may be necessary. Continuous running noise. Thermostat settings. Ensure that the thermostat is set to auto rather than on. If it's set to on, the blower will run continuously. If you're not comfortable troubleshooting or if the issue persists, it's recommended to contact a licensed HVAC professional. They have the expertise to diagnose and fix furnace problems safely. Regular maintenance, such as changing filters and scheduling annual inspections, can help prevent issues and ensure your furnace operates efficiently. If your furnace is still under warranty, check the terms to see if repairs are covered. Always prioritize safety, and if you suspect a gas leak or other hazardous situation, evacuate your home immediately and contact your gas utility or emergency services.